Have you ever gotten that sensation like you're sitting on the surface of the sun? Hey, it's Dr. Toger, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I'm talking about Tushies, so it must be Tuesday. That burning sensation where you're clawing at the skin is what we call Puritis ani. It's Latin for itchy butt. It's what justifies our salary. Why do people get that, and what can you do about it? The first thing that you're going to do is make an appointment to see a colorectal surgeon because we're about the only people who are accustomed to looking at this part of the body. Okay, that's the first thing. Why do people get this condition? It's almost always because they're too harsh to the skin. You want to keep the skin clean, but this is not your fine china. Okay, you do not have to rub it so hard. You want to keep it protected from moisture. So avoid wet wipes. Use something that's oil based to clean the skin. There's a cleaner called Balneol, Balneol. You can find it at Walgreens or on Amazon. That goes on toilet paper. Wipe your hiney with that. Keep the skin coated with Vaseline. When you get out of the shower or the bathtub, use a fan or, yes, the cool style button on a hairdryer because nothing is cooler than that.